Stage 1. The Science of Biology. Chapter 1. What is science? Science is an organized way of gathering and analyzing evidence about the natural world, a way of observing, a way of thinking, and a way of knowing. Science is a process, not a thing. It also refers to the body of knowledge that scientific studies have gathered over the years. The goals of science are to provide natural explanation for events in the natural world, understand patterns in the nature, and make useful predictions about natural events. The scientific method is a general side of investigation that involves observing and asking questions, making inferences and informing hypotheses, conducting controlled experiments, collecting data and analyzing data, and drawing conclusions. It's not always possible to test a hypothesis with an experiment. In some of these cases, researchers devise hypotheses that can be tested by observation. When researchers analyze data from these observations, they may devise hypotheses that can be tested in different ways. Good scientists share scientific attitudes or habits of mind that lead them to exploration and discovery. Curiosity, skepticism, open-mindedness, and creativity help scientists generate new ideas. Scientists share their findings with the scientific community by publishing articles that have undergone peer review. Publishing peer-reviewed articles in scientific journals allow researchers to share ideas and to test and evaluate each other's work. In science, the word theory applies to a well-text explanation that unifies a broad range of observations and hypotheses that enable scientists to make accurate predictions about a new situation. A useful theory that has been tested and supported by many lines of evidence might become the dominant view among the majority of scientists, but no theory is considered absolute truth. Biology is the study of life. But what is life? What distinguishes living things from non-living matter? Apparently, there are 8 things that only living things share. DNA, growing and develop, stimulus, reproduce, homeostasis, being made up of cells, metabolism, and evolving are characteristics that all living things share. How is metric system important in science? Most scientists use a metric system when collecting data and performing experiments. The metric system is a decimal system of measurement whose units are based on certain physical standards and are scaled on multiples of 10. Scientists working in a laboratory or in the field are trained to use safety procedures when carrying out investigations. Whenever you work in your biology laboratory, you must follow safe practice as well. Careful preparation is the key to staying safe during scientific activities. Before performing any activity, study the safety rules. Before you start each activity, read all the steps and make sure that you understand the entire procedure, including any safety precautions.
Created using Powtoon.